Say hi, Q.
What's up, Ash Gang?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a client coming in just about like 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the room, but I am gonna do a step-by-step on what I do with my procedure and doing microblading the eyebrows. If you don't know, I actually have a business, Microblading from Heaven, so make sure you go check me out and follow my page. And if you haven't got your brows done by me, then what are you doing? I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys like what I do in setting up and take you guys through the whole entire process, so stay tuned. How was your drive?
Oh, not bad. I took my kids to Hurricane Harbor earlier, so that was trash.
Oh, what?
Because
Really?
I'm over here, so yeah.
No, that way.
That way?
Down there, yep.
Wait a minute, babe.
Any like coffee, alcohol, or anything?
No, that shit was hard. I mean,
I know, not
I was at
coffee
Hurricane.
too.
I was at Hurricane Harbor,
And
so
you
I
were
needed
like, I
water.
wanted a drink.
Yeah, but I
Yeah.
needed water anyway, so made it easy. My mom vibes. It's so crazy that this is what's on right now. Cause this,
Your mom.
yeah, I played this at her funeral. This one right here. She with us right now.
I'm gonna show you this side. You can see if you like it.
Says I'm the worst guest to invite, but my kids will have fun.
it's a wrap. That session took about 3.5 hours. 30 minutes do go to numbing, that I allow the numbing cream to set into my client so they're comfortable as possible when I'm actually doing the procedure. Most of the time I get clients that either fall asleep or we chat the entire time and get to know each other. That is very important for me to build a rapport and also build a relationship with my clients, because they are supporting me and I love that. So if you are in business, that's very important to build a relationship with your clients, because most of the time they will return. And with my business, I'm now offering lip blushing, and a lot of the girls that signed up for lip blushing are returning clients. Some of the girls that have signed up for my classes are clients of mine. So do you get where I'm going with this? So if you guys like that, make sure you smash the like button. I would also like to do a room tour and show you guys my complete room. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you also comment down below. What more would you guys like to see on my channel? Because I am coming back to YouTube, baby. And as my saying goes, love yourself, believe in yourself, dedicate yourself, and send it to the universe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
I wish I knew